How many programming languages does the average programmer know? How many should I aspire to learn, and which ones? I don't know about the average programmer, but I know C and C++, Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, although HTML and CSS aren't really languages so much. PHP, Visual Basic, C#, ASP, both Classic and ASP.NET, again not really languages, but in this case, because both Classic ASP and ASP.NET rely on other languages. For Classic ASP it uses a sort of Visual Basic, and for ASP.NET it uses either VB.NET or C# to implement the server-side programming, but the languages by themselves don't give me the power. It's the frameworks with them that give me the power. For example, with Java, I know Spring, Hibernate, Swing, AWT, the Apache libraries, JPA, among probably many others that I can't think of at the moment. For PHP there's PHP, but also for MVC programming there's either Zend Framework or Symfony, and for ORM there's Doctrine. I don't know Zend, Symfony, or Doctrine unfortunately. For VB.NET and C# there are WinForms. For C/C++ there is the Windows API, Qt, WX widgets, Microsoft Foundation classes, and many more for UI development. For JavaScript you have Angular, jQuery, React, and many more as well depending on what one is trying to accomplish. Then there are the design patterns. When you get more acclimated to programming, you'll find that the design patterns make the programmer, not the languages. I know all those languages, but when I program in JavaScript, knowing how to implement classes in JavaScript, I can and have created my own observer and observable classes to use in my own homegrown MVC framework. I can also apply the same methodologies and design patterns to C/C++, PHP, anything, and it makes my programming in that language far better than if I didn't have the knowledge of said patterns. Many features of most programming languages are easily possible to Google how to do. If I was offered a job working with Lisp, I don't know Lisp, but I have worked with it in college, so I'm familiar with it enough to speak of it now. I could look up how to do whatever feature in the language I needed to learn and adapt whatever I needed to form whatever design patterns I wanted. Singleton, Observer/Observable, MVC, Factory, Builder, etc. Good luck.